With the in-breath, allow divine presence to enter this instrument called the body, and let it be lit up with that love, with that joy, with that beauty. And on the out breath, offer that same love, that same joy, that same beauty back to the universe, offering your every cell, your every pore of your being back to divine. And again, a deep breath in, allowing all that is sacred to you, that is important to you, that is precious to you, to fill you up and fill every cell, every pore. And with the out breath, let all that is precious to you be offered to everyone in the universe. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. May all beings be happy. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukha bhag bhave. Let no one be in suffering. Asato ma sadgamaya. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya. Mrutyorma mrutam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Tat Sat. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। दुर्गा दुर्गति दूर कर मंगल कर सबका मन मंदिर उज्ज्वल करो कृपा करके आज ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया। चरणों से लग जाऊं मैं सब अंधकार मिटा दे मैया। दर्श तेरा कर पाऊं मैं ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया। चरणों से लग जाऊं मैं सब अंधकार मिटा दे मैया। जग में आकर जग को मैया अब तक ना पहचान सका, अब तक ना पहचान सका। क्यों आया हूँ कहाँ है जाना ये भी ना मैं जान सका, ये भी ना मैं जान सका। तू है अगम अगोचर मैया, तू है अगम अगोचर मैया। कहो कैसे लख पाऊं मैं ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया। चरणों से लग जाऊं मैं सब अंधकार मिटा दे मैया। कर कृपा जगदम्बे भवानी, मैं बालक नादान हूँ, मैं बालक नादान हूँ। नहीं आराधन जप तप जानूं, मैं अवगुण की खान हूँ, मैं अवगुण की खान हूँ। दे ऐसा वरदान है मैया, दे ऐसा वरदान है मैया। सुमिरन तेरा गाऊं मैं ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया। चरणों से लग जाऊं मैं सब अंधकार मिटा दे मैया। ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया, ये संसार है कर्म की खेती, जो बोए वही पाए, जो बोए वही पाए। ये संसार है कर्म की खेती, जो बोए वही पाए, जो बोए वही पाए। प्रेम प्यार से सींच लो जीवन, प्रेम प्यार से सींच ले जीवन, ये अवसर फिर ना आए। ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया, दर्श तेरा कर पाऊं मैं, सब अंधकार मिटा दे मैया। चरणों से लग जाऊं मैं, ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया। हरिओम शरण, हरिओम शरण ने रचना की है। हरिओम शरण has sung it also. Lyrics I'm not sure, but
તે જે ગાયું ભજન એનું સ્ટાર્ટિંગ શું છે? હમણાં
ऐसा
છેલ્લું
प्यार
ગાયું
बहा दे मैया।
અહીંયા,
ओ पेलू
ऐसा
एकदम
प्यार।
शरू हाँ।
હા ના ના હમણાં જે છેલ્લું કર્યું એ
हेलो। हाँ,
ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया। ओके
ऐसा प्यार बहा दे मैया।
ઓકે થેન્ક यू।
या
યુટ્યુબ પર મળે?
મળે મળે મળે, જરૂર મળે।
થેન્ક યુ થેન્ક યુ।
ઓપન ડોર માં भी મળે, યુટ્યુબ માં भी મળે।
અચ્છા થેન્ક યુ થેન્ક યુ।
બધે મળે। હરિઓમ
ના
શરણ।
મને સારું લાગ્યું,
Yeah, yeah, it is a
સાંભળવા
very,
માટે રોજ।
very
હા,
beautiful one. Yeah, it's very beautiful.
મનને શાંતિ વળે, પીસફુલ છે।
Yes. तो did we have anything? I said we'll talk about it tomorrow. ऐसा कुछ था कल? ऐसा कुछ था शायद, ऐसा थोड़ा थोड़ा याद आ रहा है।
But you said brightness and
that, yeah, that I have in my mind.
that
But
you
there was
have.
something from yesterday as we were hanging up. We said इसके बारे में विस्तार में कल बात करेंगे।
ब्रह्मांड तत्वोत्सव।
हाँ, ब्रह्मांड तत्व उत्सव,
उत्सव।
ब्रह्मांड तत्वोत्सव। तो एक तो ब्रह्मांड तत्व उत्सव के लिए पहला जरूरी है कि हम ब्रह्मांड का तत्व समझें। राइट, ये हमें समझना पड़ेगा कि ब्रह्मांड तत्व क्या है। और जब हम बाहर की ओर वापस जाते हैं, ये चौथे स्टेप में हम जब बाहर की ओर, तीसरे स्टेप में जब बाहर की ओर वापस हमारी नजर लाते हैं, तो हमें पता चलता है कि जो भी हम देखते हैं, जो भी हम जानते हैं, जो भी हम अनुभव करते हैं, सभी का आधार, सभी का बेसिस, सभी का तत्व वो ही है, कॉन्शियसनेस, अवेयरनेस। क्योंकि कोई भी विचार, कोई भी अनुभव, कोई भी अनुभूति, कोई भी सेंसेशन, कोई भी परसेप्शन, उसको हम करीब से देखेंगे तो हमें पता चलता है कि इसका सत्य जो है, वो उसका जो बैकग्राउंड है, वो बैकग्राउंड के बिना ये इसका अस्तित्व का कोई मतलब ही नहीं। जैसे टीवी पे तस्वीर है, तो वो तस्वीर स्क्रीन के बिना उसका अस्तित्व ही नहीं, स्क्रीन ही उसका अस्तित्व है। स्क्रीन के बिना तस्वीर नहीं आ सकती। तो वो बैकग्राउंड जो है, बेसिस जो है, तत्व जो है ब्रह्मांड का, वही बैकग्राउंड है। कॉन्शियसनेस, अवेयरनेस, डिवाइन, नथिंगनेस, एवरीथिंगनेस, ओकेनेस, लविंगनेस। सो नाउ देन दिस ब्रह्मांड तत्व उत्सव, तो यानी सेलिब्रेशन, ये सेलिब्रेशन कैसे होगा? तो दो बातें हैं। एक तो है कि जो इसका उत्सव के लिए एक तो पार्टिसिपेंट्स चाहिए। फेस्टिवल के लिए पार्टिसिपेंट्स के बिना फेस्टिवल हो नहीं सकती। उत्सव मनाने के लिए शरीर चाहिए, मन चाहिए, बुद्धि चाहिए, आंखें चाहिए, कान चाहिए, शरीर चाहिए ये उत्सव को मनाने के लिए। तो ये शरीर को लेकर अगर हमें ये ब्रह्मांड तत्व समझ में आ गया है कि ये ब्रह्मांड का तत्व क्या है, अगर समझ में आ गया है, तो जितनी हद तक हम अपने आप को, अपना जो ये संकुचित, टेम्पररी, कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड स्वरूप है, जिसको हमने अलग अलग नाम और अलग अलग रूप और अलग अलग शेप दे रखे हैं, जिस हद तक वो उस बैकग्राउंड के साथ अलाइंड होगा, उसके साथ सहमत होगा, उसके साथ एक होगा, उसकी क्वालिटीज जिस हद तक इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट ने, इस अनुभव करने वाले ने जिस हद तक ये गुण अपनाए होंगे और उसके हिसाब से जी रहा है, उस हद तक ये ब्रह्मांड एक उत्सव बनते जाएगा। तो जहां तक हम वी आर इन लविंगनेस, वी आर इन ओकेनेस, वी आर इन व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज ऑफ दिस, ये ब्रह्मांड तत्व जो है उसकी क्वालिटीज हमने दूसरे स्टेप में हमने देखी थी जब हम बात कर रहे थे आत्म गुण ज्ञान। तो क्या गुण है इसके? इसके गुण है ओपननेस, ट्रांसपेरेंसी। यहां कुछ भी रुकावट नहीं है। जैसे स्पेस होता है, इट इज स्पेस लाइक इन कैरेक्टर। स्पेस जो है उसमें कोई रुकावट नहीं होती। कोई भी आ जाए वो स्पेस में, स्पेस नहीं कहेगा कि मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए। सो स्पेस इज ट्रांसपेरेंट। सो ये स्पेस की क्वालिटी जो है ट्रांसपेरेंसी। तो जिस हद तक हम ट्रांसपेरेंट बनते हैं लाइफ में, जिस हद तक हम ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो है वो एक रेजिस्टेंस मशीन नहीं बनता है जब तक, जिस हद तक वो रास्ते में जैसे है ही नहीं, ये शरीर, ये मन, ये प्रेफरेंसेस, ये हमारी बिलीव्स, हमारी जो ईगो है, हमारा प्राइड है, हमारे वो रास्ते में नहीं आता है अनुभव के। तो अनुभव कैन सिंपली बी एब्जॉर्ब्ड। अनुभव और शरीर एक हो जाता है। अनुभव और हम अनुभव करते हैं, जो भी हम अनुभव अपीयर होता है हमारे लाइफ में, उसको हम अनुभव कर लेते हैं विदाउट एनी रेजिस्टेंस। जब रेजिस्टेंस नहीं है तो वो कोई डिस्टरबेंस नहीं लाता। हम जो ट्रू नेचर हमारा है उसमें कोई डिस्टरबेंस नहीं है, चाहे जो भी अनुभव हो। Disturbance is a result of experience plus resistance. When experience meets resistance, only then there is disturbance. If experience does not meet resistance, there is only experience. And there is only the I, which is experiencing the experience. There is no disturbance. So, becoming transparent, that is one part of this स्टोरी। ये उत्सव को मनाने के लिए एक हाफ स्टोरी ये है कि हम जहां तक हो सके हम ट्रांसपेरेंट बनकर जिए. We offer no resistance. We are okay with whatever appears. Whatever appears is okay. ये okayness में हम ना भी कह सकते हैं, but it is not resistance. कोई अगर हमें कोई हमारे पर वार कर रहा है, तो नो रेजिस्टेंस का मतलब नहीं है कि हम उसे मारने दें, हम मार खा जाए. ऐसा नहीं है. देयर इज नो रेजिस्टेंस. इस पल में ये हो रहा है कि दिस पर्सन इज बीटिंग मी and I can say no, and firmly I can say no. I can say no and I can even strike back if necessary, but there's no resistance. This is what it is. ये क्यों मुझे मार रहा है, ये ऐसा नहीं मारना चाहिए. This is resistance. मैं so not offering resistance, that is one important aspect of दिस ब्रह्मांड तत्वोत्सव का एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है कि हम ट्रांसपेरेंट होते जाए. हम यानी मैं जो असल में हूं वो तो है ही ट्रांसपेरेंट. मैं जो ब्रह्मांड स्वरूप हूं, ब्रह्म स्वरूप हूं, वो तो ऑलरेडी ट्रांसपेरेंट है, ऑलरेडी लविंग है. उसको कोई इंप्रूवमेंट, कोई चेंजेस, कुछ जरूरत नहीं है. जो असल में आप है, इट इज ऑलरेडी परफेक्ट. यू आर परफेक्ट, यू आर वंडरफुल, यू आर ब्यूटिफुल, you are that, you are this. But this instrument which has been created for the purpose of that oneness to experience this universe, which is also created by that same energy, that instrument as part of forgetting कि देखिए उसको भूल जाना जरूरी है कि मैं वो हूं, ताकि हम ये संकुचित कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड सेल्फ को लेकर हम ये जिंदगी जी पाए, एक दूसरे के साथ बात कर पाते हैं. किसी से प्यार, किसी से मोहब्बत, किसी से शिकायत, जो भी हो रहा है वो is happening because we have this accepted this physical form. We have agreed to this physical form, and we have also been, it is also important to forget that we are that in order to play this game. जैसे मैं कभी कभी ये पता नहीं क्यों ये अमिताभ बच्चन और कूली नंबर 1 ही मेरे याद आता है. जैसे जब कूली नंबर 1 का किरदार कर रहा है अमिताभ बच्चन, तो उस किरदार के दरमियान जरूरी है कि वो भूल जाए कि वो अमिताभ बच्चन है, लेकिन उस हद तक ना भूले कि वो कूली समझ ले अपने आप को और सफर करने लगे कूली का सफरिंग. उस हद तक नहीं भूले. भूले वहां तक कि मैं तो ये किरदार कर रहा हूं, मैं अमिताभ बच्चन हूं और मैं ये भूल गया हूं टेम्पररीली. जैसे ही डायरेक्टर कहता है लाइट्स कैमरा एक्शन, एक्शन बोला कि भूल गया अमिताभ बच्चन और कूली नंबर 1 का किरदार कर रहा है. लेकिन जब उस हद तक भूल जाता है कि वो जो भी हो रहा है उसको रेजिस्ट कर रहा है, तो वो एक्टिंग कर ही नहीं पाएगा. वो बोलेगा नहीं, मुझे ये ऐसा सामान नहीं उठाना है. अरे भाई तुम कूली हो, सामान उठाओ. So without resistance, taking on the whatever this role requires, that lack of resistance is transparency. तभी यानी हमें सिर्फ, so that is one half of the story. One half of the story is becoming, bless you, one half of the story is becoming more and more and more transparent, more and more transparent to life. You are not in the way. You allow life to happen, and only then you can celebrate. If you are at a party objecting to everything, आप पार्टी में गए मान लो to celebrate, or and your time is being spent in objecting, resisting, can you enjoy the party? ये म्यूजिक ऐसा क्यों है, ये म्यूजिक ज्यादा लाउड है, ये म्यूजिक लाउड नहीं है, ये फूड बेकार है, you are resisting whatever is present, then is it possible to enjoy the party? No. So similarly, this party called life, called the universe, the more transparent you are, which means offering no resistance, is everything is okay, whatever is okay, then the party can really happen. तो ये ब्रह्मांड तत्व का उत्सव शुरू हो सकता है. So there is one more quality of divine. So divine, ब्रह्मांड तत्व जो है उसके गुण हम देखेंगे तो एक तो है ये ट्रांसपेरेंसी, दिस ओकेनेस, दिस ओपननेस, this no resistance, the qualities which we called peace, but we can call it absence of agitation, absence of craving, absence of separateness. So absence of separateness, all those are qualities. One more quality of this Brahman Tattva is this creation. ये जो ब्रह्मांड की रचना की गई है, इसकी जो सर्जन की गई है, this millions of colors and thousands of people and billions of people and trillions of planets and trillions of stars and trillions of galaxies and all this. So this overshowering of creation, this light, the illumination of the sun, this is also one more quality of who you really are. Who you really are is creating all of this. So this quality also, how much of this quality, ये quality हम इस contracted संकुचित self में या उसके द्वारा, उसके थ्रू, वो लाइट और क्रिएशन वाली जो क्वालिटी है वो भी हम किस हद तक ला सकते हैं हमारे लाइफ में. That is the second aspect. So on one hand is transparency, which is no resistance. But अगर हम वहीं पे रुक गए, no resistance, no, we are perfectly not agitated because we are transparent. But there are other qualities. What about this quality of lack of separateness? Yani we don't feel separate from anybody or anything. What about that quality? What about the quality of creation, of manifestation, which is also you? तो उसको अगर हमें प्रकट करना है हमारे द्वारा, इस शरीर के द्वारा, इस मन के द्वारा, इस नाम की व्यक्ति जो है उसके द्वारा अगर हमें प्रकट करना है, then we also include this second quality of divine, of creation, of brilliance, of brightness, of brilliance. क्योंकि सिर्फ ट्रांसपेरेंट होंगे तो हाँ एक जगह पे हम जाके स्थित प्रज्ञ हो सकते हैं. स्थित प्रज्ञ हो जाएंगे, but you are not living to your fullest potential. You're not living your full, जो आपका full potential, that fulfilled life that you deserve, that you are made for, that you are created for, and that you have, वो fulfilled of the full potential will not happen in this sthita pragya state. Yeah, nothing bothers you. Beautiful. You're at peace. Beautiful. Very nice. But what about creation? What about creativity? What about manifestation? What about beauty? What about love? What about art? What about all these qualities of divine? So whatever appears in your life, whatever thought, experiences, people, we can be transparent to those appearances, simply allowing those appearances to appear. And it is the nature of all appearances to eventually disappear. That is that is how they work. All appearances appear and disappear. So transparency allows appearances to appear and disappear. But it leaves out, so in the times when there are appearances, we simply be transparent. But then the other half, we bring forth love, bringing forth creativity, bringing forth aliveness, bringing forth enthusiasm, being the brilliance that is also you through this instrument called the body, the mind, the knowledge, the eyes, the hands, the all our faculties that we have available. तो एक तरफ से हमें ये शरीर को, ये मन को और हम अपने आप को ट्रांसपेरेंट बनाना है, एज इफ नॉट इवन देयर. And on the other hand, the opposite, not opposite, but another complementary quality of brilliance also needs to be present. Walking this planet like a god that you are, moving in your life as a creator, whether it is a creator of health or healing or beauty or food or books or art or dance or computer programs or whatever it is that you do, but bringing the quality of brilliance to it, brightness, knowing that I am not separate, knowing that I am all that there is, knowing that I am already that. See, when you know that you're already that, you create art not for the purpose of becoming famous or being known or making yourself better or more or famous. Because when you know that you are all there is, who will you become famous to? All is known to you and you are known to all. There is nothing called fame left for you to achieve. There is nothing called wealth for you to achieve. All is yours. So then art becomes for the sake of art. Beauty becomes for the sake of beauty. Healing becomes for the sake of healing. Health becomes for the sake of health. Creating bridges or whatever you create for the sake of creating itself. Exactly. So brilliance and transparency. Yeah, Nilima, I'll come back to you. So brilliance and transparency, balancing both in your life. Brilliance without transparency, you will get thrown around. Because if you're only brilliant and not able to be transparent to things that appear which are not as per your liking, you offer resistance along with your brilliance, you will get disturbed. And becoming and living consistently with who you are again becomes difficult. So brilliance without transparency doesn't work, is not enough. And transparency without brilliance is only half the story. So to complete the story of your life, your being, your existence on this planet, we need to develop in our body, in our mind, both of these qualities, borrowing from where? From you only. It is not something that you need to go to somebody to find brilliance or to find transparency. You only. You are that. Just look back and reach in and find it and bring it out. Transparency, okayness. So, what was it today? Today again, I was cutting salad in the kitchen. So I remember I told you guys about this last fiasco on Saturday or whenever it was. The salad cutting became a big, uh, totally a fight. So, but then since we have been talking about this transparency and dropping this head, allowing this seeing that this body is nothing, what is such a big deal? Usko allowing things to just come. And I forget exactly what happened, but today, I mean, it was totally, very, very smooth, very, very fun, very, very light. and it was all because even now the same incident was starting, and she was saying something. Harsha was saying something about, oh, you don't know about all this, and why are you would make? It was, yeah. She had brought one cantaloupe, and she asked me to cut the cantaloupe, but then the minute I took the cantaloupe to cut it, not there, cut it here. You will, everything will fall and spill, and the kitchen will get dirty, and da da da. She had all these reasons not to do what I was doing the way I was doing it. And I said, what? Where you want me to cut it? Here. And I said, okay, fine, I'll cut it here. What's the difference? I don't know, but I'll cut it here, I said. And as I was cutting, I said, look, nothing is falling down. And even if I had cut it where I was cutting, it would have still not fallen down. And she says, you know what? You're right. and I cut the cantaloupe or honeydew or whatever it was. And I wanted to cut it a certain way. And she didn't want me to cut it that way. She wanted me to peel the cantaloupe. I said, why do you want to peel it? I said, we just put cuts on the top and then just go wherever the knife stops is the hard part. So now if you've gone till the hard part, you just take the knife and cut it like this. And I started to do it that way, but she didn't want to do it. She said, no, you have to peel it. You have to peel it. You have to peel it. And I said, okay, I'll peel it. And I started peeling. She said, okay, next one, try it your way. And I showed her that it was much easier that way. Anyway, bottom line is that just because I had made a conscious decision to not allow this mind body to come in the way of whatever appears, I was able to just allow it to flow through. And just, and it just, so it's a small example, but I think this is the sadhana. This is the sadhana. Both parts, both aspects. Transparency and brilliance. Transparency and brilliance. Both in your life. Both. And the more of both you bring forth, and we'll talk more about how to bring brilliance. What is the mechanism? What are the ways? We'll continue tomorrow. Wonderful. Yes. Oh, Nilima ji had a comment or a question. Sonal has one. So Nilima ji, aap pehle jaiye. She had asked first. Okay, go ahead. जेनिफर जी, आपको अगर जाना है तो आप जा सकते हैं. हम कोई रेजिस्टेंस नहीं ऑफर करेंगे.
मुझे नीलिमा को लेके जाना है.
नीलिमा को लेके जाना.
I will attend to afternoon session tomorrow's. Afternoon session.
You're doing afternoon session? Okay.
Okay, great. And it's being recorded anyway, so you can hear it, Jennifer ji, tomorrow. Okay. Again. Okay, go ahead, Nilima ji. And 9:45. Okay, go ahead.
You told कि जो भी last time you told बीच में कभी थी, whatever the creation comes, उसको नया seed है तो उसको आने ही नहीं देना है. एक बार आपने बताया था generally thoughts आते हैं तो बंद करना है. But what about the creation? Something comes in our mind. Though I'm in the cosmetic line, new things are coming sometimes in meditation and everything. New facial, new product. It's just appealing in my mind. So is it follows how you have to balance all these things? Though I have to follow that is the thing that I am doing all things for my satisfaction, okay? But when we are living in physical world, तो उसका use नहीं करना चाहिए क्या regular practice में or something like that? Though I am doing writing my poetry for myself, publishing book for myself, it is all that, But how I will cope up all these things with the when we are living in commercial basis day-to-day life in my field. So फिर वो होता ही नहीं है. तो what you say for that?
Right.
This creation is coming in a different way. Maybe it is coming in the different way in my thing.
No.
But
See,
क्या उसको न्याय देना नहीं होगा ना फिर?
किसी को उसका फायदा हो, so wonderful. Why not? आपका ब्यूटी का जो क्रिएशन जो भी कर रहे हैं उसको किसी का फायदा हो उसके लिए तो वो क्रिएशन तो इज परफेक्ट. व्हेन आई से खुद के लिए क्रिएट करना है। उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप जो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं वो किसी को काम में नहीं आएगा। यू आर नॉट डूइंग इट सो दैट दे विल गो वाह 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 नीलिमा जी आप तो बहुत महान है, आप तो कितने, यू आर नॉट डूइंग इट फॉर दैट,
for that.
you are doing it for because you wish to create, because you wish to create, because creation and creativity are your natural qualities. So and when we say ki don't react to the thoughts, are you talking about that in meditation के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं आप? I had said
मेडिटेशन में एक बार लास्ट कोई तो भी लेक्चर में बता था, क्योंकि वी आवर माइंड इज लाइक अ जंपिंग ना, तो
Yeah.
थॉट प्रोसेस आती है, तो उसमें भी कुछ चीजें ऐसे लगता है क्रिएशन, तो डोंट अलाउ देम टू नर्चर देम दैट फीलिंग्स को, कुछ को नर्चर नहीं करना है, उसको आके छोड़ देना है। बट दिस क्रिएटिव थॉट्स को कैसे
वो शायद I don't know in what context I had said whatever you're saying, I may have said something but वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट अलग होगा शायद। मैं मेडिटेशन के वक्त, आप अगर मेडिटेशन में बैठे हैं तो उस वक्त कोई भी थॉट आया उसको आप रिएक्ट नहीं करते हो, मतलब उसको पकड़ के नहीं रखते, उसको छोड़ देते हैं, आने देते हैं और जाने देते हैं ड्यूरिंग मेडिटेशन। दैट्स जस्ट अ प्रैक्टिस।
ओके
उसको थॉट को याद करके कोई ब्रिलियंट आइडिया आया तो क्यों उसको भूल जाने का? व्हेन यू कम आउट ऑफ मेडिटेशन पुट इट इनटू एक्शन, व्हाई नॉट? Yeah, definitely. Creativity for yourself doesn't mean it is not useful to others. When you create a thing of beauty, when I write a song or somebody composes a music or dance or whatever, it is to bring, it brings joy to so many people. But you don't do it because of that. You do it because it is overflowing from you. You wish to create. Because if you're creating it for somebody and then people don't like it, then you get disappointed, this, that, so many things happen. But if you only created it for yourself, and now if people love it, well and good. If people don't want it, well and good. Then you're not disturbed. That is what. So definitely your creative ideas, put it into action. That is the one of the ways to bring brilliance into your life. Great. हाँ सोनल जी बोलिए.
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Sure.
So you spoke about offering resistance. So when there are few people in our house and
I said about
they
not
are-
offering resistance. Not offering resistance.
Okay, not offering resistance.
Not offering. Yeah.
So that means whatever you don't like, we don't like some things which we are like have to accept it. So accept everything or what? That is not offering resistance. जो अच्छा नहीं लगता है वो भी एक्सेप्ट करोगे तो नॉट ऑफरिंग रेजिस्टेंस है क्या?
Correct. Accepting it. Accepting
No,
it
but
in that moment.
there are things which you don't like. So what is like and dislike?
Especially
and
those
and
things, especially the things you don't like, you don't offer resistance. In fact, things that you don't like do not cause a disturbance until and unless you offer resistance to those things. So,
start liking?
not necessarily. Not necessarily. Not necessarily that you will start liking them. It can happen also.
The example which you said, पार्टी में आपको कोई म्यूजिक नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन आप फिर भी एंजॉय करो, तो अपने को वो म्यूजिक नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, तो फिर क्या करना है? वहां से हट जाना है.
Lot of choices are there. Lot of choices are there. See, once acceptance opens up freedom, now you're free to do whatever you want to do. You can go talk to the DJ and say, अरे यार वो मेरा वाला favorite किशोर कुमार वाला गाना बजाओ भैया. You can do that. You can maybe enjoy whatever that music that is playing. That is second choice. Third choice, you may leave and go somewhere else. Fourth choice, you may take the mic and start singing. So many things. But if you are sitting there resisting, हाय ये बेकार म्यूजिक वापस ये क्या पार्टी है बंडल, शी, resist. I don't like this. I don't want this. This is just ruining my day. This is ruining my party. This is what resistance looks like. Now, in that mode of resistance, you are just stuck and you are disturbed. So it has nothing to do with starting to like the same music, but it has everything to do with bringing forth the quality of the inner you that you really are. The inner you that you really are is open to all and every experience, including all things that are there in the universe, including that worst song in the world that you don't like, or the worst music which you don't like. The inner you, the true self that you really are, is simply like space.
So, but that can be applied not only to the song, but people around us also, na?
Absolutely. Of course. People around you, things that they say, things that they do, people, circumstances, um, everything, everything, all appearances. What are people? People are appearances in your life. It applies to all things that appear in awareness, including our own body, our own self. See, if I there is something about my body which I don't like. Let's say I'm overweight. I'm so overweight. Shah, I don't like this body. Every time you look in the mirror, you resist this looking at it also. You don't like it. You resist, 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 resist. It's a state of stuckness. It's a state of disturbance. Instead, you say, hey, all right, I'm overweight. Okay. I'm okay with it. Right now, I'm overweight. Yes. When you accept it, now you can say, चलो यार डाइट करते हैं, एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं. Let me see this beautiful body that I want to be in the mirror. And now it's a whole different direction you are going in. Whereas when you're sitting there resisting yourself, cursing your fatness or cursing your whatever that you don't like, you're staying in this state of stuckness and disturbance. So this being disturbed happens when you have forgotten who you really are. Who you really are is open and transparent to and completely in love with anything and everything that appears. Who you really are has no such likes and dislikes, and has completely choiceless and is open to everything, just like space. Like I was saying the other day, एक space है, एक कमरा है, उसमें आप हीरे मोती डालो या कचरे का डब्बा डालो, स्पेस कभी हाँ भी नहीं बोलेगा, ना भी नहीं बोलेगा. It is okay, whatever is there. And it is your choice, up to you. You want to clean up the room and fill it with something beautiful, or you want to leave the garbage there. It is up to you. But there is no resistance to it. It is okay with it. You're understanding the difference between liking and not liking and resisting are not necessarily the same thing. We may not like something, but we don't resist it in that moment that it appears. Then we have freedom to act, freedom to move, freedom to love, freedom to express who we really are. So it's all about bringing forth who you really are. Who you really are loves everything, is only love. It's love itself. You are love, which has no such resistance. What is love? Definition of love is accepting something the way it is. What is love? I mean, when you say I love my child, or I love my brother or my sister or whatever, does it mean that your sister is perfect? Does it mean your child is perfect? No. There may be many things about that child that you don't like. But love says, there are many things about you that I don't like, and yet I love you because I am love. I accept you the way you are, along with all your whatever qualities. So resistance in a way is the opposite of love, and who you are is love. So would you rather express who you are, or would you rather express resistance? So the practice that we are talking about is How to do that moment to moment, bringing forth transparency, bringing forth okayness. And then again, like I said, bringing forth brilliance. Karla, thoda. And like I was remembering that song yesterday, Vithala Tu Veda Kumbhar. We'll sing it tomorrow. Thoda thoda karla. So, Tu Veda Kumbhar, this crazy divine, this crazy mad oneness, which we cannot understand fully, may do all kinds of things. But one thing we know about it is that it is all loving, all encompassing, all including, and that is our true nature. So if you are in that state of okayness, that music which you don't like also will not bother you. That's the difference. See, not liking something and something bothering you are two different. They're related and they're close to each other, but they are not the same thing. Not liking and bothering are two different things, even though they are very, very close. And that is why this little bit of questioning is happening, because what we are trying to say here is how to get to a state of not being bothered. Not that you have to like everything. Not that you become a doormat and everybody can come and just wipe their feet on you and come in. Not becoming a doormat. Being welcoming doesn't mean you're a doormat. You understand the difference between welcoming a guest in your house and being a doormat which says welcome on top of it, and everybody wipes their shoes and comes in. We are not talking about that. We are talking about becoming that welcoming host to all appearances, all experiences, all people. And when you do that, that thing that you don't like no longer bothers you. And you are free to make it something else. You're free to leave it alone. You're free to change it. You're free to transform it. You're free to love it again or like it now or whatever. But as long as it bothers you, you are stuck. So it is moving from this stuckness to freedom, which is your true nature.
Okay.
Okay, great. Got it? Great. Thank
Yes.
you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you.
bye,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Sir,
Om Shri
yesterday's
Guru
recording quality of I.
Bhyo. Sorry?
Yesterday's recording quality of I
Yeah.
and 15th January
Okay.
recording.
Yeah. Okay, sure.
And today's.
Okay. Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. I bow down to the divine, which is your true nature. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.
Shanti, Shanti.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
thank
bye
you, thank you.
everyone. Good night to
Bye.
everyone.
Bye. Good night.
Bye.
Good
Good
night.
morning to you. Bye.
Yeah, thank you.